Well, I am currently grounded in Malaga Airport, so I thought I'd put together a montage of my flying escapades over the past week in Spain, wandering up to the Sierra Nevada, touching some snow, and quite an experience. Arriving in Granada, and a great tour of the Alhambra, which is the subject of a separate video. From there, it was on to Lorca country, travelling to Cordoba via Fuentevaqueros, seeing the Vega, which inspired so many of Lorca's poems and plays. And in the province of Cordoba you will find the village of Suelos, one of the most beautiful villages in Spain. And then into Cordoba itself, late in the afternoon, but a good journey, nonetheless. More of that to come. And then on from Cordoba on to Ronda, through some beautiful agricultural and at times mountainous terrain, and I really enjoyed driving. Captain Slow was slower than ever because he didn't want the journey to finish. Eventually arriving in Ronda and seeing the wonderful Puente Nueva from a different angle, from the other side, which was quite fun. From Ronda to the coast was one of the most spectacular journeys I have ever undertaken. Beautiful scenery, fun to drive, stopping when I wanted, filming when I wanted, and visiting Casales along the way. And then into the swanky Puerto Banús, which I actually quite liked. Very well organised, lots of money there, they certainly know how to charge you, but I enjoyed it. A very nice way to wrap up the driving, and as I say, I'm now at Malaga Airport, ready to head off to the UK.